Yeah, hello students, welcome back. Students, in the previous lecture, we have done the journal part, how to pass journal entry. Okay, different two questions हमने किए थे, एक simple question, एक थोड़ा advanced level का question किए थे. Today we are focusing on the next process of accounting, that is ledger. Now, what do you mean by ledger? Ledger is nothing but a group of accounts. Okay. Account means what? Systematic and summarized way of recording transactions. Systematic and summarized way of recording transaction. एक particular format है, वो format में हम journal entry को transfer करते हैं. Transfer को बोलते हैं posting. So when you do the posting of the journal entry, okay, into this different accounts, that is what we call as ledger. So ledger, as I told you, is a systematic and summarized way of recording transaction pertaining to a person, pertaining to a property, pertaining to an expenses and incomes. Pertaining to a person means what? How much amount is receivable and payable to a person, we come to know through ledger. कितना amount देना है, कितना amount उससे लेना है. Pertaining to a property, as on today, what is the value of that property? Say for example, machinery है तो machinery का क्या value है? Building है तो building का क्या value? We come to know the different values of the assets. Pertaining to expenses and income, salary, rent, commission, okay, ये different type के expenses and income which we incur as while running the business. So what are the total expenses of a particular year? What are the total incomes of a particular year? We come to know through the ledger account. So ledger helps us to know the balances, which balances are further transferred to the next process, that is trial balance, जो हमने accounting process में देखा. Okay, ledger is done in a particular format, students. There is a format. This is what we call as T format. Here on the left hand side, okay, the left hand side is called as debit side, and the right hand side is what we call as credit side. दो side होती है, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, center में you write the name of the account. Okay, name of the account. Abbreviation of account is AC. AC indicates it's an account. So name of the account is written in on the center. Left hand side is debit side, right hand side is credit side. On the left hand side, debit side, we always start with the word to. इधर हमेशा कौन से word से start होता है? To से. And on the right hand side, we start with the word by. So वो journal entry की posting, transferring जिसको हम बोलते हैं, okay, that is done in a particular ledger account. जिसका जो ledger होगा उसमें वो posting होगी, okay. Then finally, when all the posting is done, you close the ledger. You do the totaling. That is what we call as casting. Totaling accounting term is casting. And finally, we balance the ledger. जैसे we always see a vegetable vendor, वो एक तराजू लेकर खड़ा रहता है. He always balance that. Okay, 5 किलो है तो 5 किलो बैलेंस होना चाहिए. वैसे here we have to balance the ledger. जो साइड heavy होगी, say for example यहाँ पर 10,000 rupees है. Okay, 10,000, I am writing a short form 10k. और यहाँ पर 8,000 rupees है, that is 8k. So if you want to balance, you have to record heavy total on both the side. Heavy total is what? 10. So 10 is recorded on both the side. You have to find the difference. The difference is how much? 2k. Okay. So this is what becomes a closing balance. Generally we write by balance carried down या carry forward. This closing balance will become opening balance. तो इधर opposite side पर चला जाएगा. To balance brought down. Okay. 2k या to balance brought forward. It means what? Say for example in this account, this is the closing balance. This closing balance will become next month या next year का opening balance. It becomes the opening balance. Then henceforth from the next year onwards यहाँ से वो continue होगा. तो अभी initially we have this 2,000 rupees with us in this particular accounting balance, ledger accounting balance. Fine, is that clear? So this is what we call as ledger. This is the second phase of accounting process. As I told you, every chapter has the base journal and ledger. So these two things, if are properly done, understood by you, then there will be no such problem in the academic chapters which we are going to learn henceforth. So that is very very important, students. दो क्वेश्चन कल हम लोग ने किए थे इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर, ओके, दैट इज इन द जर्नल. सेम टू क्वेश्चंस आई विल बी डूइंग टुडे इन लेजर, ताकि क्या वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द लेजर रादर देन पासिंग जर्नल एंट्री एंड मेकिंग द लेंथ ऑफ द सम मोर लेंथी. ओके, सो इट्स बेटर दैट वो सेम क्वेश्चन का ही लेजर करेंगे. ओके, आई विल प्रिपेयर सम फ्यू लेजर्स एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ द पोस्टिंग इज डन. ओके, वंस यू आर थॉरो विद दैट, दैट क्लियर्स आवर बेसिक अकाउंटिंग लेक्चर्स. So today will be the last basic accounting lecture. Henceforth, tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting our new academic year chapters. Is that clear to you? Okay. So take out that question, the two questions which we have done, the first question and the second one question. Okay, we'll be preparing ledgers from that particular journal entry. So that will make us very much clear what the ledger is all about. ठीक है, is that clear? Let's begin, student. Yeah, hello students. I hope so the view is very much clear, students. Okay, let me adjust a little bit. Fine, students. I hope so the questions is with you. Okay, now from these two questions I have prepared few ledgers. All the ledgers I haven't prepared. I have just prepared the two ledgers. Okay, मतलब three ledgers account. Okay, that is one is cash account if you see, one is Mona account and one is Nana account. तो जिसके ट्रांजैक्शंस थोड़े ज्यादा दिए मैंने वही अकाउंट्स पर्टिकुलर बनाया ताकि फ्रॉम दिस 2-3 अकाउंट्स यू विल कम टू नो हाउ यू कैन डू द लेजर पोस्टिंग. ठीक है, rather than preparing all the ledger account 1 and 2 transaction, very few transactions are given about the other accounts. तो ये जो तीन जिसके ज्यादा transactions दिए हुए तो मैंने उसका अकाउंट बना दिया है. तो let us prepare the ledger account, okay, of this. Yeah, let us prepare the account of all these three accounts, that is cash account, Mona account, Nana account. The format, as you know, you can see left hand side is the debit side, right hand side is the credit side. You have date का column, particulars, JF. अगर आपको याद होगा जर्नल एंट्री में LF कॉलम होता था, लेजर फोलियो, लेजर पेज नंबर. यहाँ पर JF होता है, जर्नल पेज नंबर. इसका जर्नल एंट्री कौन से पेज पे? We record here. Practically we record, academic it's just a formality which we do. Okay, so JF column, then the amount column. Then right hand side again the same date, particular, JF and amount. So this is cash account, this is Mona account and this is Nana account. Okay, is it clear? So let's do the posting of this. The question for your help I have kept here. Okay, so we have to see in which transactions cash, Mona and Nana is affected. उसका posting करना है, बाकी सबको ignore करना है हमको. We have to only concentrate on these three accounts. Is that clear? So let's begin. If you see the first entry, students, what is the first entry given? Cash account debit, stock of goods account debit, computer account debit to capital. Abhi we don't have stock account, we don't have computer account, we don't have capital account. We only have which account? The cash account. So cash account में will go and do the posting. ठीक है? Date once only I'll write the date on both the sides. फिर सीधा directly हम लिख करेंगे. So it's June 2011. It's June 2011. So cash account is debited, so you have to go on the debit side and you have to give the reference of the credit side. So credit क्या हो रहा है students? Capital. So cash account के debit side पे you will go and write to capital, and which amount you will write which is in the front of cash. Cash के सामने कितना amount दिया हुआ है that you have to write. So if you see the amount, I think so it's 2 lakh rupees, right everyone? So it's 2 lakh rupees. That means इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हायर स्टैंडर्ड पे एक टॉपिक है रीडिंग ऑफ लेजर अकाउंट के, वो ये व्हाट डज दिस लेजर मींस. ओके, सो यहाँ पर इट मींस कि इन कैपिटल वी हैव 2 लाख रुपीस एज कैश. 2 लाख रुपए उसमें कैश. सो कैश अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड पर जाकर क्या लिखेंगे? टू कैपिटल अमाउंट इज 2 लाख. आई होप सो दैट इज वेरी मच क्लियर. ओके, सो पहले मैं एक काम करता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग ऑल द कैश वाला ट्रांजैक्शन पहले करते हैं और फिर हम लोग मोना और नैना के अकाउंट में जाते हैं, क्योंकि साइमल्टेनियसली करेंगे तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. पहले आप ग्रिप ले लो उस पे, देन वी कैन डू साइमल्टेनियसली आल्सो. ओके, एनीवेज इट यू कैन डू इट. सो वी आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द कैश वाले बैलेंसेस. तो हर एक एंट्री में जहाँ कैश होता है वही देखते जाते हैं. मोना और नैना वाले अकाउंट्स लेटर ऑन करते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एंट्री अगेन इट्स बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. सो कैश नाउ इट इज क्रेडिटेड. So go on the credit side. Credit side say we write with the word buy. Date is given as 4th June. Okay, cash credit हो रहा है तो debit क्या हो रहा है students? Bank. So it's buy bank. What is the amount given there students? Is it 1 lakh rupees? 5 zeros. Okay. So it's buy bank 1 lakh rupees. Is that clear to you? Which is the next transaction? Purchase to Mona. Abhi Mona and Nana account we keep aside. Okay, first let us concentrate on cash account only. Next entry is Nana to sales. Again ignore that. Go to the next. Loss by fire account debit to goods. Again both the accounts we haven't prepared, तो उसका कुछ नहीं होगा. Next June 18. Again there is cash account. Cash account is debited. So cash is debited. So go on the debit side. The date is 18. What is credited student? That is very very important. Nana is credited. So cash account debit to Nana account. Okay, cash account debit discount account debit to Nana. You don't have discount account, you have only cash account. So you'll go on the debit side of cash account and you will record the credit wala effect. Okay, so cash to Nana, and the amount you will record which is in front of cash, 7,500. Again, what does this transaction means? It means money has come from Nana, 7,500. How much Nana has paid cash? Like 7,500. It means that. I hope so that is clear. Next transaction on 21, it's drawing to bank. Again, we haven't prepared bank account. Next 24th year, there is a cash is credited. So go on the credit side. The date is 24th. Which account is debited? So it's Mona. So here you will write Mona, and what is the amount in front of cash? You have to record that. So what is the amount given in front of cash? 7,400. It means we have paid to Mona. Cash has gone out to Mona, 7,400. I hope so this posting is very much clear to you students. Fine. Let's go ahead. Next 26th is what? Drawings account debit to cash. Okay, again cash is credited. So we'll go on the credit side and here we record by drawings. What is the date given students? 26th. By drawings. What is the amount here? There is only one amount, so there is no such confusion. It's 2,000. 26th. 29th, again cash account is debited, so you'll go on the debit side and you will give the reference of credit. Here there are two credit students. No, I think so. It's only one credit. It's cash account debit, Divakar account debit to sales, right? So on the credit side we have sales. That means in sales, how much cash we have received? 6,000 rupees. So what the amount is in front of cash, you have to record that. So you have to be careful there. वहाँ पर mistake होता है. Finally, the last transaction, June 30 is postage and telegram account debit to cash. Cash is credited. So we'll go on the credit side and we'll give the reference of the opposite account by postage and telegram. By postage and telegram. What is the amount given there, students? 5,000. Postage and telegram 5,000. Okay? Anything else? और कुछ दिया हुआ है? That's it. So cash, all the transactions relating to cash we have done. Okay, now we have to close cash account. As I told you, heavy total on both the sides. So total ko we have to double underline. Okay, cash is generally an asset. An asset always have a debit balance. It is said that assets always have a debit balance. So debit side will be heavy. You can calculate it. 2 lakh plus 6,000 plus 7,500. Okay, we can calculate that. 2 lakhs plus 6,000 plus 7,500. The total comes as 2,13,500. So heavy total is to be recorded on both the sides. 2,13,500. You have to find out the difference. You have to highlight the difference. उसको circle करना है. Balancing figure. June month. What is the last date of the June month? That is always 30th. So by balance carried down. This closing balance will become next month का opening balance. Next month is July. Opposite side पर चला जाएगा. 2 balance brought down. Now you have to total this. You have to total this credit side. You have to minus from the heavy total. So let's total it. 1 lakh 5,000 7,000. 7 plus 7 14. 1 lakh 14,400. 1 lakh 14,400. You have to minus it. So you get the difference as 99,100. I hope so the difference is very much clear. Okay students, you can check it. So heavy total is 2,13,500. You have to total this credit side. 1 lakh 5,000 7,000 14,400. 1 lakh 14,400 is to be deducted from this heavy total. Heavy total में से lesser total minus करना है. The difference is 99,100. The closing balance will become next month का opening balance. It will go on the opposite side. That is 99,100. That is how much? 99,100. I hope so this is very much clear, right students? So this was just a cash account. Now 2 more accounts are there. Very few transactions are there, but let us complete that. Now check out Mona account. We'll just concentrate on Mona's account. Where you find the word Mona in the third transaction, that is on June 8. Okay, Mona is credited, right, students? Okay, so we'll go on the credit side. Again, I'll write the date initially. June 2011. All the transactions are for the month June 2011. Mona is credited. So on the credit side, we'll go. Okay. What is the entry given there? Purchases account debit to Mona. So here it is by purchases. That means we have purchased from Mona. How much value of goods is given there? Finally, after TD, the amount is 7,520. 7,520 by purchases 7,520, which is the next transaction relating to Mona. Okay, which is the next transaction? Let us just check it out. Okay, June 8th we have done. June 12th, I think so, that directly only one transaction is there on 24th. You can see on 24th. What is the transaction given there? Mona account debit to cash to discount. June 24th, Mona account debit to cash to discount. Both the dates are same, 24th. Okay, Mona account debit to cash to discount. Okay, what is the amount given in front of cash? 7,400 and the discount is 120. So the total amount given against Mona is 7,520. In the bifurcation of this is to cash to discount. That means we have paid amount to Mona, cash 7,400, and we have earned a discount of 120. It means that. Okay, so 7,400 you have paid and you have received a discount of 120. Now there are no further transaction relating to Mona, so let us close it, students. When you close the ledger, if you see, heavy total is to be recorded on both the side, but I think so here the ledger account tallies. There is no such difference. 7,520 was the goods which we have purchased from Mona and we have given that particular amount. We have paid 7,400 and we have earned a discount of 120 rupees. That means there is no balances carry forward. In future we don't have to pay anything to Mona. The account is settled, the account is closed down, the ledger is tallied. Is that clear how the ledger tallies? Similarly, Nena. Okay, the last ledger account, that is Nena, which is the transaction which is related to Nena. I think so, transaction number June 12th. Okay, that is relating to Nena. Nena to sales. Nena is debited. Again, I'll write the date first. It's June 2011. Okay, the transaction date is June 11. Nena account debit to sales. Okay, what is the amount given there, students? Nena to sales is 7,600 after that trade discount. That means we have sold goods to Nena worth 7,600. Okay, now which is the next transaction which is relating to Nena? That is June 18th, students. Here the Nena account is credited, so we'll go on the credit side. What is the entry given there? Cash account debit, discount allowed account debit, or discount account debit to Nena. So here Nena is credited but two accounts are debited, so we'll write the reference of that. That means we have received money from our customer Nena. How much cash we have received from Nena? 7,500. And how much discount we have given to Nena? That is 100 rupees. 7,500 we have received and we have given discount of 100 rupees. So if you total this out again, student, I think so this ledger account also tallies in the end. 7,600 the ledger account tallies. That means in future no amount is receivable from Nena. Okay, so both these accounts have been tallied, whereas in the cash we have the balance 99,100 with us right now that we can use next month. This is how the ledger is to be done. I hope so these three accounts are very much clear to you, students. So I have prepared the accounts in which there are the transaction in which the terms which you need to understand. I have done that in this question. Fine, student, is that clear? So in the next question which we have done, the second question, we'll prepare some 2-3 ledgers in that also. Okay, so that we understand the ledger in depth. It is very much clear, students. So let us take out that question and let us prepare the ledger balance. You can copy this and you can practice it. Okay, students.